What's going on? Thank you for watching. This is DESTINED Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. Actually, this is a little something special. I'm doing something behind the scenes, getting ready to record myself watching my own premiere go live. So you're part of that. You're checking it out. You're in the right place. Great music, entertainment, inspiration, and motivation all right here. If that's what you're into, make sure you bookmark my page and come see me anytime you want to. This is next level. Come on, check me out. Make sure we get something going on here. All right, let's see what we got. There we go. Get a little something, some mellow music going on. Oh yeah. All right, wow, they counted down. Wow, they're doing the 2-minute countdown. Whoa. Turn that down. That's kind of loud. My bad. I had that kind of loud. Like I said, I don't know how much of this I might keep. I might keep some of it. I might keep most of it. But I definitely want to give a shout out. Got to give a shout out to Nate from Channel Makers. He's the one that I got this idea from. I was always wondering, what in the world is a premiere? Nobody was ever talking about it. Nobody was ever talking about what a premiere is. And so one day I found Nate from Channel Makers. All right. He was talking all about the premiere. So I said, you know, I like that idea. So I got the idea from him to do this premiere. So y'all part of it, checking it out. Thank you for being a part of it. Oh, there it is. It's premiering now, baby. Two and one. Here we go. So yeah, I'm gonna kick back, watch the show. Might get back with y'all. All right, check this out. Hey, what's up, man? I'm on right now. Alright. Yeah, I'm on YouTube on my channel. Okay. Hey, so listen, if y'all just checking in, I'm behind the scenes recording my first premiere. So if you're a part of this, behind the scenes, I might use this as some B-roll in another video. Or I might just keep it for my Patreon. Link in the description, behind the scenes. So check that out. I might do some editing. Stay posted. Man, this is nice. I'm really enjoying this. DESTINED Next Level Mindset Premiere. How to create a money mindset. Let's get paid. All right, keep watching. Keep watching. Okay, so listen, if you're back here with me, I gotta throw this in here. If anyone is thinking about doing YouTube, take it from me. Get all the tips and tricks and tips and strategies you can from all those other people out there. Take all their ideas, put them in practice. That's what I've been doing, just using all the, the tips that I've been picking up. This is one of them, so, just want to let you know that. I might be doing some videos on how to get started with YouTube, so leave me a comment. Leave me a comment, let me know. Alright, so that was it, doing the premiere. So listen, all this is behind the scenes, unscripted, just doing what I have to do. You're just enjoying the premiere. Hope you enjoyed it. I might use, like I said, these clips again. Shout out to Nate with Channel Makers. I got the idea from him, so definitely want to do that. So thank you for watching. Stay blessed, stay positive, and remember, there is no God outside of us. There's only God within us, and with that, we are unstoppable. Nothing that needs to be done in our life that we cannot do it. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.